My KitchenAid oven is showing keypad disconnected.
What happened just before your KitchenAid oven displayed this message?
It showed error, and I could hit the cancel button and it would work fine.
How long has this been going on with your KitchenAid oven? What have you tried so far?
Just started. I've done nothing so far.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, not at this time.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your oven. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. When the oven is giving you an error stating the keypad is disconnected, it means that your control board can't recognize the touchpad anymore. You can try to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset. Other than that, the entire touch control panel needs to be replaced because it is shorting out and failing. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.
You're welcome, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.